Good morning, my dear students. Look at here. In the previous class, you studied squares and square roots. Now today we want to study the square root by factorization method. Are you ready? Look at here. You know the square of x, that is x square, and root of x square is equal to x. That means if a number multiplied 2 times, that is square, and the root of that is the same number itself. Is it clear? Now, how can we find the square root of 144? By factorization methods. Factorization methods. Are you ready? If 144 is an even number, so divided by 2. So you get 72. 2 is a prime number. If you divide it by 2, you get 72. Again, it's an even number, divided by 2, you get 36. Again, divided by you get 18. Then divided by you get 9. Now 9 is divided by 3, you get 3 into 3. Is it clear? Now the division is completed, that is prime factorization. You get the idea? So 144 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 raised to 4. Otherwise you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 3 square, otherwise it is 3 into 3. So you studied that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means there are 4 2's. We want to find the root of that number, that is root 144 is root of this number is 2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2. Otherwise 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. And root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 square or 2 2's. And from 3 square you take one of the 3 outsides. You get the idea? 4 2 square is 4 into 3 equal to 12. So your answer is 3. Get the idea? One more. Root of, look at here, 625. Are you ready? 625, the unit place is 5, so divided by 5. If you completed the division, you get 125. If you know the division, then only you divide. Again divided by 5, you get 25. Again divided by 5, you get 5, and 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So the division is completed and the factorization is also completed. 625 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Otherwise, you write 5 raised to 4. Root 625 equal to root of this number. Otherwise, root 5 raised to 4. From 4 5s, 2 5s taken out. Otherwise, 5 square taken out. 5 square means 5 into 5. That's equal to 25. 4 5 പുറത്തേക്ക് come. That is the root of that number. You get 25. Is it clear? Once again, it is prime factorization. Prime factored divided by the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. It's a completed. Next, root of 729. Are you ready? 729 is divisible by 3. It's an odd number divided by 3. You complete the division, you get 243. Again it is divisible by 3. You get 81. 81 is also divided by 3. It is divisible by 3. You get 27. Again divided by 3, 9. Then 3, then 1. So the division is completed. Is it completed? So 721 is, you look at the 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you may write 3 raised to 6. 6 3's. You take 3 3's outside. So root 729 is 3 raised to 3 or 3 into 3 into 3. Done. That's equal to 3 into 3, 9 into 3 equal to 2. So you get the idea how to take out? Is it out? This is 6 3 4 Is it clear? Next, come on. Roots of 324. Are you ready to complete the factorization? So starts. 324 is an odd number, so even number, so divided by 2. You get 162. Again, it's an even number divided by 2, you get 81. It's an odd number divided by 3, you get 27. Again divided by 3, you get 9. Again 3 and is it completed the division? If you know how to divide, then only you complete the figures. Is it clear? So root 324 equal to root of 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 3 raised to 4. Otherwise you write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then from 2 to you take 1 after 2 outside. 4 3s you take 3 2 3 outside. You get the idea? If you multiply, 18 is the final answer. You get the idea how to complete the how to find the square root of a number by factorization? Listen carefully this video, then I will give you home assignment. Okay? See, all the best. Complete the home assignment.